Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Live Lifestyle Life. I'm Sharmishta. Today I'm going to show you this easy peasy smoky blue eyes makeup look. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Stardust in the moonlight is all I wanna see. Look up in the night sky, cause you know where to be seen.
As you guys can see, I have already done my base makeup. So we will be starting from our eyebrows. And for our eyebrows, I am here using this Rimmel London Brow This Way product, eyebrow product. I really like this eyebrow product. I bought this a few weeks back and I really like it, but not gonna repurchase it again because it's made in China. Although it's a nice product, but the current scenario that is going on between China and India, so I'm not going to repurchase it again. But I'm going to use this one because I have already purchased it. So then we are using this Wet n Wild palette and I'm taking a flat angle brush and this light brown transition color from this palette. The palette name is Rose in the Year. So why I am taking this fluffy angle brush is because if you are a beginner, it's easy to apply the transition color with this kind of brush. So I'm using this one. After that, I'm taking my Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette and I'm taking a pencil brush, and then I will pick this royal blue color from this palette, tap out the excess, always do that. And why I'm using this pencil brush, because for beginners it is easy to blend the eyeshadow or put the eyeshadow with the pencil brush. It's easy for beginners to use the pencil brush. So yeah, and if you are a beginner and you are using a dark color for your eye makeup and you are using a blending brush, you are going to mess it up for sure. So go with a pencil brush and you can create a really nice eye makeup look. So now I am doing the other eye. The pencil brush tip is actually very precise, so it is very easy to blend your eyeshadow with this one without creating a mess. And then obviously I'm going to take off all the fallouts. Although this eyeshadow palette doesn't have that much fallout, but still. And then I'm going to take the same pencil brush and do my lower lash line with the same blue color. And then from the same palette I'm taking this silver color for highlighting my inner corners. Obviously you can go for some other palette or any palette that you have, but I had only these two palettes with me, so and yeah, this is how my eye makeup is looking right now. Let me do the full face makeup and come back to you. So the last step we will do for our eyes is mascara. So I'm taking the Lakme Iconic mascara for that. Always get rid of the extra mascara, otherwise your lashes will be sticking together and will not look good. It's a quick tip for everyone. And yeah, that's the final look of my eyes. And this is really easy peasy makeup look. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, be happy.